Hi everyone, it is Christina Pridie here, better known as the Seamless Knitter here on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram. You can find all of my seamless pattern designs on Ravelry and on my website, ptboyarnshop.com. I also have a Ko-Fi account if you would like to support me and my channel financially. All this information is linked in the description box below this video. In today's tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how I do the make one right and make one left increases. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have a beginnings of a fingerless glove, and I'm working on the thumb gusset, as you can see here. So I am using the Addi Click interchangeable needles, and I'm using the magic loop technique, and I'm just going to pull this out. I'm a right-handed knitter, and I'm at the beginning of my round, and I'm going to show you here, point out the make one rights, as you can see, and up here on the left, here they are here. So I have a knit one, a purl one, and a knit one. So my increases are done after the knit one. I like them in one stitch. And at this end, they are before the knit stitch. So they're on going left here, one stitch before the knit stitch. And then there's the purl stitch. Okay, so we're going to get started here. I am going to knit the first stitch. I'm going to purl the second stitch. I'm going to knit the next stitch, and right after this stitch, I want to do my increase. So I've been doing my make one rights on the right hand side, and then I have knit 2 rounds of knitting, and now I'm ready to do another make one right. And this will be the last increase row for my thumb gusset. So as you can see, there's a horizontal thread that runs between the knit stitches. I'm going to take my left hand needle, and I'm going to come from back to front to pick that horizontal thread up with my knitting needle and put it on there on the left hand needle, just like so. And now I'm going to take my right hand needle, and I'm going to knit into the front of that stitch, just as you would knit normally. I think I split the stitch there. Yep, I did. Okay. And remove it. And you're going to see that the top thread of that stitch is sloping to the right. That's the make one right. Now I'm going to knit over to one stitch before the last stitch of the thumb gusset. Okay, one more stitch. Okay, so here we are. There's the one stitch before the purl, the one knit stitch, and this is where we want to make our make one left. So there's the horizontal thread, and this time we're going to take the left hand needle from front to back and pick up that horizontal thread and put it on the needle like that. And we're going to take the right hand needle now, and we are going to knit into the back of that stitch. And there you have your top thread is leaning to the left for the make one left. Okay, so now I'm just going to finish this thumb gusset with a knit and a purl. And I'll just finish this last few stitches that are on the needle here. and then I'll show you what they look like. So I'll bring these stitches down on the cord so that it opens up the stitches so you can see them better. Okay, so there we had the knit stitch, the purl stitch, the knit stitch, and you can see the make one right is right there between these two knit stitches made with the horizontal thread. And then if we look over here, you can see the make one left is right here, sloping to the left, and it's between the two knit stitches, and then there's the purl stitch. So that's what it looks like. So when you knit around the next row, you just knit it into those stitches as normal, and you've got your increases done. So there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please save it to watch later, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified of my next video or tutorial release. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below this video and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Happy knitting!